If you're broke, tired of being broke, and feel like money disappears faster than your phone charger, then what I'm about to show you might just rewire your brain for wealth. They don't teach this in school. And your broke uncle who always says, money isn't everything? Yeah, he doesn't know this either. This is the 333 rule. And no, it's not a cult. It's a straight-up wealth-building system for people who are sick of financial nonsense. Let me break it down. This rule is all about 3 actions over 3 categories for 3 months straight. Simple numbers. Big transformation. Now before you roll your eyes and say, not another money hack, listen. This isn't budgeting. It's a disciplined formula disguised as a countdown. Let's start with the first 3. Where your money goes. Most people treat money like it's vibes. It comes in, they guess what to do, and poof, it's gone. But in the 333 rule, we don't guess. We assign. You split every single income, no matter how small, like this. 30% goes to your goals. That's savings, debt repayment, investing, anything that helps you build a future that isn't paycheck to paycheck. 30% goes to your needs. The real ones: rent, food, transport. No subscriptions for 5 streaming platforms. We're talking survival gear only. 30% goes to your hustle fuel. Wait, what? Yep. This is where you invest in you. That side hustle you started? This is the money for tools, marketing, courses, licenses, whatever makes you richer next month. And the last 10%? That's your grace zone. Your flex fund. Spend it. Save it. Eat wings with it. Whatever. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, but I don't even have enough to cover my bills. I hear you. That's why the 30/30/30 split forces you to fix that problem instead of hide from it. Because if your needs are more than 30%, something's wrong. Either your income is too low or your lifestyle is too high. Either way, we don't complain. We adjust. Now let's move to the second part of the rule, the next 3. This is all about what you track. Because you can't grow what you don't measure. You ever go on a diet without tracking your food? That's not a diet, that's wishful shrinking. So here's what we track. Number 1, income. Every dollar. No matter where it comes from. A side gig, your main job, someone paying you back. Track it. Number 2, expenses. I don't care if it's a $2 bottle of Coke or a $200 phone bill. Write down. Number 3, progress. Set one clear financial goal and measure how close you're getting every week. Could be saving $1,000. Paying off $500 in debt. Doesn't matter. Track the climb. This turns your money from a ghost into a game. And games are fun. Ghosts? Not so much. Now the third part of the 333 rule is the time commitment. 3 months. That's it. You don't need a forever plan. You just need 90 days of focus. Because when you give yourself a deadline, the brain stops procrastinating. It starts moving, calculating, adapting. 3 months of applying this rule can change the next 3 years. You'll look back and say, why didn't I do this sooner? Let me tell you what happens during those 3 months. Month 1, you realize how reckless you've been. You cringe at your spending history. That's good. That's growth. Month 2, you start seeing power in your numbers. You actually have extra money left over. What? Magic? Month 3, you're not just surviving. You're planning. You're building. You're saying no to broke habits and yes to future wealth. That's the power of the 333 rule. It's not hard. It's just different from what you're used to. And that's exactly why it works. Because your comfort zone is broke and this rule doesn't live there. People ask me, but what if my income is inconsistent? Even better. Because now you've got a formula to follow no matter how much you make. $100 comes in, split it. $1,000 drops, split it. This rule scales with your hustle. It keeps you from thinking, I'll save when I earn more. Because guess what? Most people earn more and still stay broke. What? Because their habits never changed. But with this rule, your habits change first. The money follows. It teaches you to prioritize your future, your present, and your growth, all at the same time. No more, I don't know where my money goes. You'll know. And you'll respect yourself more for it. No more saving whatever's left at the end of the month. You save first now. That's how bosses move. And no more lying to yourself about where the problem is. If your needs take up 70% of your income, the rule exposes that. Then you make moves. This isn't a trick. It's a financial mirror. And if you can commit to it for just 3 months, you'll step into a version of yourself you didn't even know existed. You'll have clarity, control, momentum. Because the truth is, being broke is hard. But getting rich also takes work. So why not choose the hard that builds something? The 333 rule is that bridge. It's the structure broke people never got. And now it's yours. So here's what I want you to do. Write it down. Stick it on your wall. Make it your phone wallpaper. Tattoo it on your forehead if you have to. 333. Where your money goes. What you track. How long you commit. That's it. No more waiting. No more excuses. No more, I'll start next month. Start now. Give this rule 3 months, and your future self will want to shake your hand. And hey, if this helped you, if this made you think differently, if this rule just snapped you out of a financial fog, then don't keep it to yourself. Share it. Drop a comment. Send it to someone still eating noodles with no seasoning. And most importantly, hit that subscribe button. Because this isn't the last rule I'm dropping. We're building wealth over here, one mindset shift at a time. This is Wealthify Excel, where broke stops and built begins. See you in the next video.